Hey guys, how's it going? This is Roshan here again, back for you with a video after a long time. Today I have something special to show you actually. I've been riding this bike for a while now and I really wanted to show it off and see how well you guys like it. So what I'm riding here is our new Stunner Auto. What makes this special is that on my handlebar here, I have no gears. So there's no gears, there's no shifter. So all of the stuff, it's basically like riding an automatic geared bike, and adjust my assist levels as I want to. So right now I'm riding an assist level 1 and I'm going about 20 kilometers an hour. A lot of you might have seen our Stunner series of bikes. We launched the Stunner series way back in 2014 as people asked us for a cruiser, and this has been the cruiser that we've been selling. It's our longest standing cruiser bike. Of course, over the years we've made lots of improvements, like bigger batteries and bigger motors and larger range. We had like a derailleur system here at one point, which was a 7-speed derailleur, and then we upgraded, or the next version had like a 3-speed Shimano internally geared hub, and then we had a Sturmey internally geared hub, and this is the latest and greatest. It's the next generation of an internally geared hub. What makes this particular version special is that you don't ever have to think about shifting gears. So all you got to think about is that you have an assist level. So if you want more assist from the motor, you bump up the assist, and if you don't, then just bump down the assist. At 0, it's just like a regular bike. The hub on the back is actually measuring the cadence that I'm pedaling with. So it's looking at how often I'm pedaling and then shifting gears accordingly. So it's got a 3-speed internally geared hub. So as I slow down, it goes back to gear 1, and then as I go up a hill, hopefully it'll shift lower to a lower gear, and as I gain speed, it'll go to a higher gear. Well, that's the hope. So I'm hoping to capture that on a video. It's kind of boring to capture this because there's really no action. Everything happens internally and it's automatic. So one of the things you can see right now, what I did is we're going up a little bit of a steep hill here. So I just had to pause pedaling for a bit. It shifted down, and then now I'm able to, pedal up this hill. I don't have to think about a derailleur. And for a lot of people, I think gears have always been a mystery, which is why I think a lot of people like hub motor e-bikes than mid-drive, because on a hub drive, the gears don't really matter that much. But I think this is the best of both worlds, where the mid motor drives the chain, and then the rear hub also handles the gears, but it's automatically shifting. So you never have to worry about shifting gears. You're always on the right gear, but you get all the advantages of the great torque that a mid-drive motor offers. So yeah. Right now when I slow down, if I pause pedaling for a bit, it shifts to a lower gear, and then I just get on there and start pedaling, and boom, it shifts up and down automatically. So just like a automatic car, which is pretty awesome. So now we'll just do a little bit of a speed run as soon as we get out of this section here. This is still part of the trail system, but there's a whole section up front here where there are no cars allowed. The trail is kind of wide, and you can actually give her for speed. And then we'll turn around and go towards like a hill climb and see how it does going up a hill. So I'm actually getting a little bit of a workout because I want to. So a little bit, I think I can still have a good conversation, but also, it's more like a really good fat burning kind of a zone. Is what I think I'm in. I'm right now at about 32 kilometers an hour, and yeah, pedaling this has been pretty seamless. Okay, so right here, so I'm right now in first gear, almost effortless to pedal, and then as soon as I increase my cadence in pedaling, I can feel the gear shift to second and third. And then as soon as I step on it, I'm giving it really pedaling harder. So now I'm, oh, there, shifted to the third gear. And this gear, I can really get a pretty nice workout, but I'm comfortably pedaling at 32 kilometers an hour. On a derailleur bike, right now I'd be shifting a bunch of gears, but no need to do that, as this bike automatically does that. At Biktrix, we've always been fascinated by the e-bike technology ever since I started the company back in 2013 in my garage. Always when a newest, latest and greatest stuff come out, I want it. And this rear hub is the latest and greatest that's available right now, where it's basically transforming the e-bike from a manual shifting bike to a automatic, which I really love actually. So one of the cool features of this is that because it's just a internally geared automatic hub, we don't need to, the maintenance is much lower than a regular internally geared hub. Oh, there's all these bugs in me. Should have worn my glasses today. But anyway, so the maintenance is really low. We use a single speed chain, so the chain should last you a long time before you need replacement. So we're guessing like 1,500 to 2,000 kilometers before you have to replace the chain. Also, the hub itself needs no maintenance, so it's like a sealed unit, no changing oil, none of that stuff, because on some of the internally geared hubs, like the roll-off or the Kindine, which is now out of business, but those hubs, you had to change the oil every so often. So this one needs none of that, and everything hopefully just rides for a really long time and brings maintenance to almost nothing. The bike is also like a cruiser, so it's like a comfort cruiser. I'm sitting up straight and pedaling, so I'm not hunched over. Really comfortable ride. And if I want to pedal slow, I just go easy on the pedaling, and it automatically shifts to a lower gear, which is first time I ride it. It's amazing. It's also kind of surprising that why wasn't this the thing that we had on bikes a long time ago? It's 2025 now, and looks like it feels so natural, like as if this has evolved a few generations. But it really is brand new. It was just released this year, and we're one of the first ones to bring it to market. And yeah, so far the impressions has been great. So I'm just going to stop here and I'll show you the hub and what it looks like and stuff, and I'll let you judge for yourself how good it looks. No shifter cables, no shifter. None of that. So the only thing you have to adjust is the plus and minus button for more assist or less assist. So which makes riding really easy. So if you want more assist, just bump up the assist levels, and if you don't want much assist, you just bump it down. So which makes it super simple to ride. And there's of course a throttle over here, so if you don't want to pedal, or if you're starting off from the start and need some extra assist, just push that throttle, and that'll just take you without needing to do any work. But look how small this hub is. It's tiny, and that's the single speed chain I was talking about, which needs almost no maintenance. It's also on a slider dropout, so if the chain ever stretches more than you want, you can always just slide the hub back a little bit. That gives you further adjustment on the chain. So pretty much a no maintenance kind of bike. This motor is the proven BBS O2 motor that's inside the frame there, which is Bafang's first and flagship motor that they've had ever since I started the company back in 2013. We used the same motor, just a previous generation of it, and so it's a proven motor with lots of parts available. The disc brakes come standard, fenders, all of that deal. So pretty much a gorgeous bike, and yeah, riding it is just fantastic. So yeah, if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and my team is here to help you out. We only have about 50 of these bikes in this batch. We just want to do a small batch for all the early adopters that want the latest and greatest technology. So thanks again for watching, and feel free to reach out to us, and we'll hook you up with our Stunner Auto.